Here we go. This mask is 6 inches long and it is 3 inches wide. But this 3 inches wide, you're actually going to want to make it one piece because you're going to fold it over. You see this flap here is where the pouch goes with the activated charcoal. So this piece, even though it's 3 inches wide, you're going to want 3 inches on either side. And this part here is an inch for the activated charcoal to be able to get into. So that makes 3 and 3, 6, 7, 8, an 8-inch piece that you're going to wrap around and sew onto, and it's 6 inches long, as we've said. And you're going to make ties, 4 ties, of course, to be sewn on either corner of this mask. These ties are 16 inches long and they're 1/4 inch in width, but you're going to make it 1/2 inch in width because you're going to double it. And then sew it right down so it's not going to fray all the way down the tie, which makes it really easy if you've got a sewing machine. I don't like to sew. I always have these made for me. So let's show you how this is done. You have 1/2 cup of granular charcoal, activated charcoal. We pour it into the pouch. We fold it over. We have this activated charcoal in our pouch, right? We just open up the slit. We put it in with the flap towards the back. It sits well that way. And we scoot it in there, put the flap over, and then we knead it so it will fit really comfortably around our mouth, like so. We tie it in the back. So you can still hear me fine, so if you need to talk to somebody, they'll hear you fine. And you tie it in the back, first in the top part of your head, and then around your neck, like so. And there you have your mask. Now when you're done at your destination and using the mask, what you want to do is you can take the mask off, let's say you're out at an airport, and I will just put it into a bag, a recycled bag. Then when I get back home, I will actually use gloves to get the charcoal out of the mask. Get a wastebasket with the baggie in it. I already have a cloth here that I can get rid of charcoal that was in this mask. So just open the bag, put in the charcoal that you will get rid of, turn the pouch around, put your hand through the pouch, and then with this terry cloth piece that you also can get rid of, just go ahead and get rid of the excess charcoal on it. Put this in the bag with the mask, which you will be washing in hydrogen peroxide and in distilled vinegar. And let it soak for like a few hours, because you're always going to want to get rid of the activated charcoal that was used and get rid of gloves and really wash well the mask and the pouch. It's raining here today in California. We need the rain so bad, and it's a reminder that through the stormy times there will be a rainbow at the end, no matter how long it takes. I wish you a lot of health, and I wish you a lot of wisdom in how to proceed in the days ahead.